these are all the foods that fat people would eat. That's anything. Ew. They'll eat this. Even a big old leg that you see. They even eat the fat thing right there. They'll eat all this stuff. Even those things get it. They'll even eat a spear. They'll eat a and a pickles. Eat a yeah. This, that, this, and that. Yeah, even chop up, eat the whole thing and without chopping it up. Yeah, eat all of the lunch boxes. People won't even have one for school. They'll eat all the bologna. They won't even eat the apple.